Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Office error, that is error code is 30147-45. So if you're receiving this error code on your Windows computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to repair Office. For this, type in control panel in Windows search box and then click on control panel and then click on uninstall a program and find Microsoft Office in the list. Now, once you find Microsoft Office over here, select it and then click on change on the top and then click on yes to allow. Now, first of all, try quick repair. So put a check on quick repair and then click on repair. And once that is done, you can open Office. But still you are facing the problem. In that case, you can select online. Next time you can select online repair. Now, this will even uninstall your Office. So if you're sure, you can go for online repair. Here you can see fixes all issues, but it takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you are still having problems after quick repair. So you can try this, but this may uninstall and reinstall Office. And then click on repair. After this, you can check. But still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can uninstall Office using Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. For this, you can copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can see Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. Click on download and this will download the zip file. Now go to the download location and then make a right click on the zip file and then click on extract all and then click on extract. Once the extract is done, open this folder and then open this folder. Now run this setup file. Now once this is installed, it may take few minutes to install and then select Office and Office apps and then click on next. Now select I have Office installed but I'm having trouble uninstalling it and then click on next. And then is this affected machine? So if it is, then select yes and then click on next. Now select your Office and then click on next. Now you can put a check over here and you can close all the Office application and then click on next. And then to continue, we need to restart the Support and Recovery Assistant. Office uninstall will continue after the restart. So click on restart. Now over here you can see it's uninstalling. This will take several minutes. Once this is uninstalled, then you have to restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer. And after the system restart, you have to reinstall your Office. So reinstall your Office program and then check. You should not receive the error message. Still you are receiving the error message. In that case, you can perform clean boot. For this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Now go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here and then click on disable all. In my case, this is grayed out. I already did it. In your case, this would be highlighted. So put a check on hide all Microsoft services, then click on disable all, then click on apply, click on OK. You restart your computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get rid of the error. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.